Any doubt? So again I am just to in question number 4 a roller is given, 84 is the diameter, 120 meter height. So first we have find CSA, that is 31680. So I have discussed already, if it moves one time it will cover the curved surface area equal the area equal to its curved surface area. Now if it rotate one time it covers 31680. Now in the question it is given it has revolved 500 times. Okay, so write down is it covers the area in 500 revolution, that equal to 500 into 31680. Yes or no? That is centimeter square also. Yes or no? Yes. Riddhita, you are right. So multiply it. Yes, Riddhita, I have discussed in your class it. So 500 into 31680. What will be the sum? Product it. What will be the sum? It will be 1584 centimeter square. Is it? And if you want to make it in meter square, what will I do? If you want to make it meter square, what will I do? Tell me, by what I will divide? By what I will divide it? Divided by 100 into 100 and it's changed into centimeter square. Okay, so answer is the that area. So the area of the playground is 1584 meter square. The area of the playground is 1584 meter square. It is okay to everyone? Yes, area of the playground is 1584 meter square. Any problem, anyone? Write it down in the chat box quickly. Write it down in the chat box. If you have any problem, write it down quickly. No problem, sir. Very good. Okay. So can I ask some question from here, from this question? Okay. Who will answer? Okay. Sohailika, can you listen me? Can you hear me? Sohailika, can you hear me? Okay. Sohailika, tell me. CS equal to 2 pi RH. CS equal to 2 pi RH. What will be the total surface area of cylinder? What is the total surface area of cylinder? Tell me quickly in the chat box. Only Sohailika, Riddhita. That question only for Sohailika. And I ask one question to Vivek and Riddhita. Okay, that question for you and Riddhita. And today I am asking you the question. Next day you will answer it. Okay. Suhid is not there. Suhid Chatterjee. No. Suhid Chatterjee and Sohailika, you are taking so much time. 2 pi r into r plus h. Oh my god. 2 pi r into 2 pi r square. Okay, okay, sorry, your answer is also right. Yes. So this question for Riddhita and Vivek, no need to answer it today. That cylinder is called right circular cylinder. Maximum time I think you have noticed that it is called right circular cylinder. Why is it is right? Okay, why it is right circular cylinder? Next day I will ask that question and answer it. Why it is right circular cylinder? No, no. Okay, next question for whom I asked. Okay, Spriha Kanjilal. Spriha, ready? Okay, tell me the volume of cylinder. What is the formula of volume of cylinder? Riddhita, it is not your question. Not your question. Pi r square h. Okay. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Pi r square h. Both are you right? Okay, next question. Next question for okay, no next question. I will ask the next day. So moving on question number 5. Moving on question number 5. A cylindrical pillar is 50 centimeter in the diameter, 3.5 meter height, and cost of painting of curved surface area at the rate ato. Okay. First of all, the pillar shaped. Okay, pillar shaped. It is that some old heritage. The pillars are in the cylindrical shape. Okay, so the pillar 50 centimeter in diameter and 3.5 meter height. Find the cost of painting the curved surface area and the pillar at the rate of. Okay, so it is question number 5. So it is clear, student, h equal to 3.5 meter and r equal to 25 meter. Is it clear? 25 centimeter. 25 centimeter. Is it clear? Now, cost of painting, just suppose just cut out the upper portion. This portion is a pillar. You want to paint. It means you have to paint that polythene space. Okay, it means which area I need. It means which area that polythene space is, you should that is the pillar. Just take an example. Okay, that is not possible, that is a pillar. Okay, for an example, so you want to color, you want to paint it. So which area you have to paint? So that polythene area, that area which is covered by the polythene, that area you want to paint, and that area means which, TSA or CSA? Tell me, CSA or CSA? So it's very good, very good. Okay, so CSA. First one thing, students, you have to clarify the conception of TSA and CSA. Which one is TSA? Which one is CSA? Just think. So one chalk is there, that is cylindrical shape. That area, excepting this portion, that circle and that circle, without these two circles, the lateral surface area is CSA, and including CSA, this circle plus this circle, if you add these two circles, so you will get total surface area. Tell me who have the confusion between total surface area and curved surface area. Again I will yes, CSA does not cover the bottom and the top area. Without bottom and top area, you will get curved surface area. That is the side portion. Okay. Anyone have any confusion? Sangam, Spriha, Annesa, Ritika, Zoelika, Protoy, Riddhita. I think Riddhita and Vivek have clear concept. Okay. Any problem? Any problem is this clear? Maximum students ask me, sir, we don't have the concept between. We don't clarify which one is CSA, which one is TSA. But if I say that you are the students of Utpal sir, so you need to clear your concept. CSA means only the side portion, not that circle, area of that circle. Okay, that is a circle. Okay, so without these two circles, others, the side area is called CSA. Just for the roller which moves on the road, that area which it attached to the ground, that area is curved surface area. Got it? Clear every? Okay. Next, so find. So you have to paint painting means that we need to find the curved surface area. So CSA equal to 2 pi r into h, 2 into 22/7, r means 3.5, h means 25. Now cut it, that is 0.5. Now 22 into 0.5, 2 into 11 plus 25, 2 into 50, 20, that will be 550. Oh, one thing students, that is meter and centimeter I need to convert. Okay, centimeter and meter is there. I need to convert it. Okay, so 22/7, r is 25. So if I convert it into meter, it will be 25/100. So that is 25/100 into h. H means 3.5. Okay. Now students, 7, 0.5. 0.5 into 22, that is 11. Okay, that is 11, and 25 into 4, that is 1/4. That is 5.5 centimeter. Sorry, meter square. 5.5 meter square. Now one thing students, cost of painting of 1 square. If you say sir, it will be easy to change the meter into centimeter. Okay, you can do it. But students, just the later portion, it is given the cost of painting 1 meter square. That's why I have changed into meter. I no need to change into centimeter. If I change to centimeter again, for this calculation you have to change in meter square. So total cost so for 1 meter square is 12.50. so total cost will be rupees 5.5 into 12.5. calculate it, that is 560, 62.5, 60.62.50, and then 6.25, 68.75. yes, right answer, rupees 68.75. it is the cost of painting the pillar. Got it everyone? Okay, anyone have any problem? Tell me quickly. If you have any problem, then you can ask me without any hesitation.